And all this COVIDiocy is happening in different parts of the country when the vaccine shortage has become crippling in the country. Many centers in the national capital, Delhi, have run out of vaccines, run straight out. There's no information about when vaccines will be available next. No vaccine available signs, as you can see in these pictures, have been put up in different parts of the city, leading to frayed nerves, tensions, people losing their cool. Obviously, you can imagine how it is out there. Meanwhile, close to 250 people staged a protest outside a vaccination center in Tamil Nadu's Trichy after being told that the doses for the day were over. This has been happening in all phases of this vaccination. Police had to intervene to pacify protesters, and officials later arranged extra doses. The situation is not very different in Karnataka, where Covishield is not available at places for the first dose. The vaccination rate has gone down from 1.5 lakh per day to 1.2 lakh per day. The new health minister, Mansukh Mandavia, has, just like his predecessor, he's lashed out at the states for alleged mismanagement. Minister Mandavia has put out a series of tweets saying that states are informed about vaccine availability in advance and that they need to plan better. He also warned opposition parties, saying netas creating confusion need to introspect about why they are so far removed from government process and information.
Vaccine shortage is a big cause of concern now, and we are at a vaccination center. This is a government vaccination center in national capital Delhi, and people are waiting for get themselves vaccinated, but this notice is being put here in which it has been written that there is no vaccine available whatsoever. So people are not just coming to these sites every day, but they have to they are not finding any way out. आप लोग कितने दिनों से इंतजार कर?
1 week.
एक हफ्ते.
On 7th July onwards now.
So they are waiting since 2nd July onwards. आप कब से आ रही हैं?
मैं तो 2-3 दिन से आ रही हूँ. अब टोकन मिल रहा है. अब बोल रहे हैं ना वैक्सीन खत्म हो गई. 4 घंटा बैठा के बोलते खत्म हो गई. अरे बोल दो कि मत आओ. फिर बोले कल 10 बजे आओ. हम लोग को आने जाने में भाड़ा नहीं लग रहा है.
तो आज बुलाई थी, अब मोबाइल में भी आ गया है. आज 3 महीना हो गया मुझे.
तो आप लोग हर रोज यहाँ पे आते हैं?
कल भी आए थे.
So there is no proper information system which can keep themselves updated that when they will get vaccines. So this is the situation in national capital. You can think about other cities, other rural areas, that what could be the vaccination availability in those areas as well. With camera person Premchand Mishra, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.
Once again, it seems like there's vaccine shortage in Karnataka. Karnataka was doing somewhere around 11 lakh a day on June 21st, and now it's come down to 1.2 to 1.3 lakh is what we are told. Bengaluru alone yesterday did 25,000 jabs. Earlier it was somewhere around a lakh and more. Now, what is the reason behind this? Is the supply that has fallen short, is what the BBMP officials say. There is a short supply of Covishield is what the authorities have been saying, that Covishield cannot be administered for first dose because they don't have the stock, and preference is given for the second dose. People, as you can see, people behind me have queued up here, but quite disappointed that they're not able to get the first dose. They want to get the doses done before the third wave starts, as expected in the few weeks from now. But unfortunately for them, Covishield is out of stock for first dose, and now whatever limited jabs are remaining, it will be given for the second dose. And there is a scarcity of vaccines, but however, the government is hopeful that in the coming few days, it will pick up, as it's only a short gap that has happened. The supply has fallen short right now, but they're hopeful that in the next few days, things will pick up and normalcy will be restored. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
60 lakh vaccines have been allocated for the state of Karnataka. In this direction, the vaccination has been going on. Probably it will vary from day to day, but overall for a month, we'll be definitely achieving a target of 60 lakhs vaccine. Even previous month it was 60 lakhs. Even this month, we'll be having 60 lakhs vaccination. That is a minimum. Probably we can have more than that if we can try to mobilize more and more.
Now, there is the threat of